If you like this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe.
I come from a family of Freemasons. My grandfather, he was a Freemason, and my granduncle is one even today. So you would think that I would have a very clear and informed idea of who they are and what they do. But the truth is, I know nothing. Why? Because in this secret society, no one is supposed to talk about the intricacies of Freemasonry. Today, I have all my grandfather's certificates and medals, and that's it. And so I decided that I would go down this road and find out what exactly happens behind closed doors in India's biggest secret society. So before I take you down that road, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Of course, I would love to hear from each and every one of you in that comment section below. Why don't you tell me, what do you think about this secret society? Would you like to be a Freemason too? As I started my research, of course, the first person that I did approach was my granduncle. He's 90 plus and he expressed that he would not be very comfortable to talk to me and would be very happy to suggest a fellow brother. Yes, that's what Freemasons call each other. So a lot of what I am going to say today is a mix of my own research and a Zoom call that I did with one of the most senior and respected Freemasons in India, Mr. Dilip Udeshi. At any point in this video, the timestamps are always available if you do want to skip to certain parts. The origins of Freemasonry are arguable, but organized Freemasonry, as it stands today, began in 1717 with the founding of the Grand Lodge. However, Freemason societies have existed for much longer, with records dating back to the early 1500s. Today, India has close to 25,000 active Freemasons, and the Grand Lodge of India was constituted on this date. Although, because of the British, Freemasonry was already being practiced in the 1730s. Officers of the East India Company were holding their meetings in Fort William in Lodge number 72. Today, the GLI has over 500 lodges in India. India has had many famous personalities who were Freemasons. It's a long list of presidents, businessmen, judges, maharajas, and even actors. So why did they all become Freemasons, and what exactly do they do? Shrouded in so much mystery today, some of the things that they are known for is their secret handshakes, double meaning symbols, and rituals which only take place behind closed doors and taking care of each other. I gave my word to Mr. Udeshi that the episode that features him would not talk about anything that made him uncomfortable, and an oath to a Mason is sacred. So there will be two parts on this subject. One, where we will talk about what Freemasonry stands for, its history, and where it is today in India. And in part two, we will delve into all the conspiracies behind it. Freemasonry believes that they make good men better. Better fathers, better husbands, better brothers, and better sons. And that Freemasonry is a character building process. It makes one become useful to society, improving his moral and spiritual outlook and broadening his mental horizons. All of this is done through the three mottos of brotherly love, truth, and relief. So what exactly do they do? We know that they conduct certain rituals that are held behind closed doors, which are symbolic and help the practitioner understand higher concepts through repeated practice. They also have a black book, which is one of their closely guarded secrets. And this book has an explanation on the rituals and how one can conduct them. The level of secrecy is so much that even in that book, there are some words that have been blurred out or left blank, so that this book, when it falls in wrong hands, the person cannot understand them. These missing words are only passed on verbally to other Masons who have achieved a certain level in the hierarchy. And thirdly, the Masons do a lot of charity work. But even in this, a certain secrecy is maintained. And they do believe that the right hand does not need to know what the left hand is doing. One of the biggest reasons that everything that the Freemasons do is full of mystery is because each brother, when he does get initiated, takes an oath that they will not disclose what happens inside, and if they do, they will be debarred from Masonry. Freemasonry is, after all, about a man being who withholds the utmost values. Another very intriguing part is the use of symbols in Freemasonry. As Samuel Hemming, the senior Grand Warden of the United Grand Lodge of England, once put it, Freemasonry is a system of morality, veiled in allegory, illustrated by symbols. There are 32 symbols in Freemasonry, and they are used to symbolize and teach what it stands for. But I will get into only the ones that have raised eyebrows or are being used the most. The all-seeing eye, also known as the Eye of Providence or the Masonic Eye. In Freemasonry, the all-seeing eye is a symbol that is used to remind members that God is observing the deeds, actions, and human thoughts of everyone. This is where one of the links with the Illuminati comes in, but we will get into that only in the second episode. Inside the name Freemasons is the word Mason. In ancient times, they were architects who understood geometric principles better than other men. They made a connection between spirituality and geometry. And even though they went way past architectural design in their studies, till today, they give homage to their roots. On the surface, this is an explanation that they offer. The square and the compass, joined together, has become one of their most definable symbols. The square, it symbolizes morality. We've all heard the term to deal with someone squarely, which refers to treating someone the way that they want to be treated. The compass, on the other hand, it stands for maintaining one's boundaries, avoiding overindulgence, and maintaining moderation in everything that one does. In fact, in India, they say that there are buildings that bear the square and compass. The plan of creation of the New Delhi capital also has masonry embedded in it. It was planned using two specific geometric shapes, the triangle and the hexagram. The inspiration for Connaught Place was the Royal Crescent building, and both are celestial shapes signifying the moon and the sun, Masonic symbols that signify feminine and masculine energy. And if you think that's a coincidence, the architect who designed this building, Robert Russell, was also a renowned Mason. Even Jantar Mantar has Masonic elements in it. Rashtrapati Bhavan has telltale signs of Masonic design, as many British kings were also Freemasons, which we will get into more detail in the second part. But for now, here are examples of different capitals around the world having similar structures known as obelisks, something that the Masons were very fond of. And as it works as a flagpole, only the detailed eye will detect it. The letter G. Now this is another very prominent symbol, and its meaning differs from one jurisdiction to another. Some say it refers to God, others say to geometry, while some lodges believe that it stands for Gnostic, the study of spiritual mysteries, which is a very central part of the craft. One thing that all the Freemasons will tell you is that this is a society and not a religion. Although believing in a higher spiritual being is required to become a Freemason, atheists are not allowed to join.
Freemasons have to believe in a god, and it's worth saying that we take people of any faith.
When it comes to their rituals, it's very, very elaborate, with passwords, secret knocks, ceremonies, songs and prayers. Everything is very meticulously detailed out in the books, down to which direction one sits, what one says, wears, and even carries. But if you look on Google, they claim that these rituals, they're not religious. This denial is a point of contention for conspiracy theorists, because if a panditji comes and does a havan and says certain mantras in a certain order while using certain elements like fruit, flower and thread in front of an altar, he cannot say that these are not religious aspects of Hinduism. So when the Freemasons say nothing religious about it and they have a reputation for keeping secrets, you're forgiven if you do go, By the way, in India, all the religious books are laid out on an altar for each ceremony by the Freemasons. You cannot just become a Freemason. You have to know a Freemason and they have to deem you worthy. Once a Freemason asks if you want to join, and only if you do show interest, because they will never force you, the lodge will then start an investigation and see if they want you. In India, the Freemasons have done a lot of charity work, and this is primarily what they do sit and discuss in their meetings. The charity work that they have done, well, here is a list of some of it that has come out in the open. Masons claim that their meetings are mostly about discussing these kind of charitable acts, but It is only as recent as 1992 that the first meeting was ever recorded in the world. So, if you want, you can take it at face value. Today, so many Freemasons feel like the sparkle is lost. Other than the meetings and the eating that takes place, what more is there to do over here? If you see the comments in this video, there are many other Freemasons who have come and shared the same sentiment. Even within the fraternity of the Freemasons, it's believed that the lower levels have no clue what the higher levels are up to. But conspiracy theorists say that Freemasonry is a cult with links to the Illuminati, a global network that has had a hand in everything, from the design of the US dollar bill to the French Revolution. In part 2, we will delve into all of this and much more. My name is Freesia, this is WAC, and I'm truly looking forward to hear what you have to say in that comment section below. I'd also like to give a big shout out to all my YouTube members as well as my Patreon members. Thank you for coming in and supporting my work. I'll catch you guys again very soon in part 2. Ciao.